In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select your detailed high-fidelity design layout mockups inside your browser tab and quickly turn them into a simplified wireframe using the Wirebox plugin. We'll keep this process simple and focused, so you can follow along without getting distracted by unnecessary settings. The goal here is to take an existing polished layout and reduce it to a cleaner, lower fidelity structure that's easier to review, present, or iterate on in the early stages of design thinking. To begin, go to the Browser tab where your high-fidelity design mockups are already open. Once you're there, carefully select the layout or mockups you want to work with. Make sure you're choosing the exact design area you want converted, especially if your file contains multiple screens, components, or sections. Taking a moment here helps avoid applying the effect to the wrong content and saves time later. After your design mockups are selected, the next step is to search for and launch the Wirebox utility plugin. Open your plugin search or utility menu, then type in the name of the plugin and start it. If you use plugins often, you may already know where this menu is located, but if not, just look for the area where your design tools or extensions can be opened from within the browser-based workspace. Once Wirebox appears, launch it and wait for the floating pop-up overlay to appear on screen. When the Wirebox pop-up is visible, look for the Simplify or Wireframe button. This is the control that converts your detailed design into a more stripped-down wireframe style. Click that button once to apply the transformation. Depending on the complexity of your selected mockups, it may take a moment for the changes to appear, so give it a second if needed. At this stage, your high-fidelity layout should now look much more simplified. This is especially useful when you want stakeholders or teammates to focus on structure, spacing, and hierarchy instead of colors, imagery, or polished visual details. It can also help when you're comparing layout concepts or preparing a cleaner version of a design for internal review. And that's it. Once you've selected your mockups, launch the Wirebox plugin, and clicked Simplify or Wireframe, the conversion is complete. If you're working across several screens, just repeat the same process for each selected layout. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.